All right, here we are at question 11. Question 11 reads, aluminum, sulfur, and chlorine are elements found on the periodic table. Tests involving these three elements would show that at normal room temperature. All right, so something they have in common apparently. So tests involving three elements would show at room temperature, which all the elements on the periodic table are listed with their characteristics according to room temperature. So let's see. It's saying aluminum is malleable and conducts electricity. All right, well, where is aluminum on the periodic table? It's right here. And if you remember, all elements touching the stair step except aluminum are metalloids. This one is a metal, and you can remember that. You have it in your kitchen, and you know a lot about it. It says it's malleable. Well, malleable means bendable. Can you take aluminum foil and bend it? Sure you can. Does it conduct electricity? Well, it does. It's a metal, so it is both malleable and it conducts electrical energy. All right, let's check out the rest. So this is a possibly good answer. Sulfur is malleable and aluminum conducts electricity. Well, let's find sulfur here on the periodic table. Sulfur is right here. It is on to the right of the stair steps. Remember, on the stair step, except for aluminum, we have our metalloids. Anything to this side is going to be a nonmetal. And remember, anything to this side will be a metal. So sulfur is a nonmetal. And if you remember correctly, characteristics of nonmetal do not include malleability. Nonmetals are brittle. They're brittle solids. They do not conduct electrical energy, heat energy, or sound energy. They do not conduct. Let's see, what else do we know? Most are gases at room temperature or liquids. What other things do we know? Well, we definitely know it's not a conductor, so let's... And, oh, malleability. They're brittle, meaning they break easy. So they break easy. You can't bend them. So sulfur is definitely not malleable, but aluminum does conduct electricity, but this answer already is wrong because one portion of it is incorrect. Now it asks us about chlorine. Well, if you find chlorine, which is Cl, right next to sulfur, it too is a nonmetal. So it has these exact same characteristics. It is definitely not malleable. It's a brittle solid. Once again, it breaks easy, so that cannot be right. And it doesn't conduct electricity either, because they do not conduct. All three elements are malleable and conduct electricity. Well, no, they don't. We just found that out. So the only answer choice is A.